All right, folks, you want to head out now to Columbia County where they saw some extensive damage from Hurricane Helene. On your side, Tristan Hardy. He's been in Lake City since Wednesday. Tristan, you have been busy following the storm since the very beginning. What's the situation out there at this hour?
Absolutely, Keith. Well, I can tell you this is that thousands of homeowners and businesses do not have power right now. On top of that, they're left cleaning up the mess Helene left behind. Like this tree behind me, it crushed 3 cars in front of this person's house, and the tree literally looks like it was plucked from the ground. I talked to the homeowner who said that she cannot leave her house essentially. Now, Charlene Davis says her family owned this house for 130 years. She's 83 years old and she was born in the house and raised there. Davis's house withstood the test of time, but the 83-year-old says this is the worst storm she's experienced. Like many homeowners in Columbia County, Davis doesn't have power to her home, so she can't use her breathing machine. Well, Florida Power and Light said they need to assess the damages 24 hours after landfall. Then experts can give an estimate on how long it will take to restore power. As for Davis, she's just happy her generational home didn't take too much damage.
I guess just trusting in the good Lord, I'm still alive.
Amen.
You know, just like it tore up these cars, could have tore my house down. And I wouldn't have nowhere to go.
Now, happening today at 1 p.m., Columbia County officials will have another EOC meeting. We'll learn what are the next steps after Helene's brief visit in Columbia County. I'm Tristan Hardy, First Coast News, on your side.